Okay, good morning students. Our first 11th class organic chapter is hydrocarbons in that alkenes. See, hydrocarbons nothing but compounds containing hydrogen and carbon. Hydrocarbons mainly classified into four types. One is alkane, alkene, alkyl, aromatic compound. These all four topics comes under hydrocarbons. Why? Because these containing only carbon and hydrogen atoms. Now the first topic is alkanes. In that first we need to discuss about preparations of alkanes. See, in preparation section mainly we will discuss about 6 or 7 preparations. That is, first preparation of alkane is from hydrogenation reactions of alkenes and alkynes. And the second one is from alkyl halides. In that two preparations we will study by reduction process, by Wurtz reaction. And the third category is from carbonyl compounds. In that again we will discuss two preparations by Clemenson's reduction, and another one is by Wolff-Kishner reduction. Wolff-Kishner reduction. And next fourth one from carboxylic acids. In that again we will discuss two preparations by decarboxylation process. And by coal-based electrolysis. And the next fifth one is Core-House synthesis. From this we can prepare alkanes. Next preparation is Frankland reaction. And next preparation from reaction with hydrogen iodide in presence of red phosphorus. And the next preparation is from Grignard reagent. And next last preparation is from metal carbides. These are the 9 preparations we will study now. Please note down. Okay. The first preparation is from hydrogenation reactions of alkenes and alkynes. See, alkenes and alkynes are unsaturated compounds. Alkenes containing double bond, alkynes containing triple bonds. See, alkenes and alkynes, when treated with hydrogen in presence of catalyst, the products are alkanes. Means here double bonds and triple bonds will be converted into single bonds. See what type of catalyst we use for hydrogenation reactions. The first reagents are hydrogen in presence of platinum or palladium at room temperature and pressure. Room temperature means approx 25 degrees Celsius. And the second reagent is hydrogen in presence of nickel at 200 to 300 degrees Celsius. This reaction is also called Sabatier-Sanderson reaction. Sabatier-Sanderson reaction. Sabatier-Sanderson reaction. Next, third reagent is addition of hydrogen in presence of Raney nickel. Raney nickel. Here Raney nickel is nothing but nickel aluminum combination in sodium hydroxide solution. These are the main reagents or catalysts to use to prepare alkanes from alkenes and alkynes. See here some examples we will see here. Before going to examples, I will discuss two important reactions. Reactivity of alkenes and alkynes depends on two factors. One is steric crowding. Reactivity increases when steric crowding of alkene and alkyne decreases, and also stability. Stability decreases, reactivity increases. Steric crowding on alkene and alkyne decreases, reactivity increases. Next one. Always alkynes are more reactive than alkenes. These two important factors we need to remember. Now, next one. Some examples I will write here. First I am taking alkenes. CH2 double bond CH2 ethene and CH3 CH double bond CH2 propene, CH3 CH double bond CH3 butene, and next I am taking here 2-methyl 2-butene and 2,3-dimethyl 2-butene. Now I taken here 5 compounds. Which one is more reactive? Which one is less reactive? I am saying that steric crowding decreases, reactivity increases. Sterically free alkene, sterically more crowded alkene. That's why reactivity decreases from first to fifth compound. And the next one, I am taking one more example. One more example, CH triple bond CH ethyne, and next one CH3 C triple bond CH propyne, and the other one is butane 2-butane, and one more I am taking that simple alkene. I already told you alkynes are always more reactive than alkenes. According to that, here there is no steric crowding, 1 methyl group is there, and triple bond 3 methyl groups are there, and triple bond 2 methyl groups are there. That's why free alkyne is more reactive than crowded alkyne, and alkenes are less reactive than alkyne. So this is very important for competitive to prepare alkanes from alkenes and alkynes by hydrogenation process. See here, main reactions we will see now. And one more, if I take cis 2-butene, and I am taking one more trans 2-butene, which one is more reactive? I am telling that cis always is more reactive than trans. Why, sir? See, why cis is more reactive? One of the phase on alkene is free. One of the phase on alkene is free to attack hydrogen in presence of catalyst. Here there is no free phase when compared with cis. That's why cis is more reactive than trans. Now let's say here, when I take alkene, when I treat with addition of hydrogen in presence of platinum or palladium, then product is addition of hydrogen takes place. Addition of hydrogen is always syn addition. Addition of hydrogen is always syn addition. Now I am taking cis alkene and also I am taking trans alkene. When I treat with hydrogen in presence of catalyst, any catalyst you can take, no problem. I already told you the addition of hydrogen is syn addition, but reactants are different. Cis plus syn gives meso compound, and trans plus syn combination always gives racemic compound. Racemic compound. See here, addition of hydrogen always same side. For clarity purpose, I am taking deuterium molecule in place of hydrogen molecule. Now look here, deuterium may be front plane addition or back plane addition. Any one of the plane, but same plane addition takes place, and remaining hydrogens are also available. When you want to write these compounds in Fischer mode, then it's very simple. Look here, CH3 same side, syn means vertical line, and deuterium molecules also same side, and hydrogen molecules also same side. When I want to write this also, CH3 same side, and deuteriums also same side, hydrogens also same side. These compounds having plane of symmetry, therefore these compounds are meso compounds, and both are same compounds, that's why identical compounds. And racemic compound, see racemic mixture, how can we write? Look here carefully, and I am writing trans, but addition is syn addition, and remaining are hydrogens. See, when you rotate carbon-carbon bond, then what will be the result? This methyl group comes here, back plane goes to front plane, and front plane goes to back plane, and one more carbon center is constant, and D hydrogen. Now when you want to write this in Fisher projection, methyls are same cis mode, that's why on vertical line, and next to deuterium ions are in opposite direction, back and front plane, and hydrogens also opposite plane. Now when we write here, there is no plane of symmetry, that's why it is not meso compound, active compound. When we write mirror image of this compound, then result will be racemic mixture. Racemic mixture. This is one more important concept in this session. Cis alkene, syn addition of deuterium or hydrogen gives meso. Trans alkene, syn addition of hydrogen or deuterium gives racemic. It is fixed. There is no change at all. And next one is some examples we will see here. Some examples we will see. Look here. I am writing here some examples. Double bond with two methyl groups. Here 4 alkenes I written. Which one is more reactive, which one is less reactive? Look here. Here 2 alpha hydrogens, 2 alpha hydrogens, 3 alpha hydrogens. Total 2 plus 2 plus 3, 7 alpha hydrogens are there. And next one here 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3, 6, and 2 plus 2, 4, 10 alpha hydrogens are there. And next one here 1 plus 1, 2 alpha hydrogens are there. And next here 2 plus 2, 4 alpha hydrogens are there. Now according to this, which one is more reactive? Number of alpha hydrogens increases, stability increases. I already told you, stability of alkene increases. What will be the result? Reactivity decreases. Reactivity decreases. Stability based on number of alpha hydrogens. Number of alpha hydrogens increases, stability of alkene increases. Stability of alkene increases, reactivity will be decreased. Here 2 alpha hydrogens, less number of alpha hydrogens, less stability, more reactivity. More reactivity. If it is first, second, third and fourth. Now tell me please, third compound is more reactive, then it is less number of alpha hydrogens. Fourth is more reactive, and next one, first one is more reactive, and next one, second one. This is one of the competitive mode. And one more important simple mechanism. See, this is metal surface, this is metal surface, and first metal surface, hydrogen molecule, then alkene molecule. This is the type of addition. So this is the first preparation. This is the first preparation of alkanes, from hydrogenation of alkenes and alkynes. Thank you.